Let's make authentic Ghana Waakye to pair with our flavorful goat and tribe stew that we made earlier. And if you're new to making Waakye, then this recipe is definitely for you. It's detailed, easy to follow, and you're absolutely gonna love it. My name is Helen and a very warm welcome to you. If this sounds like a kind of vibe, please sit back, relax, and then let's get cooking. Thank you. In my pot, I'll start or begin by adding some neatly washed waakye leaves, followed by 3 cups of water, not too full though, just enough water to cover the waakye leaves. Next thing to add will be 1 tablespoon of baking soda. I'll then cover the pot and allow it to come to a full boil before moving on to the next stage. Once the water is fully boiled, or once the water has fully boiled, I'll then add 3 cups of beans. And my beans has already been washed, but before that, I soaked it in water for like an hour before filming this recipe. I'll just give it a quick stir and cover again. I'll let this cook or continue cooking. And while it's cooking, I'll be checking on the beans from time to time. And this process is to make sure our beans is cooking to perfection. So after about 30 to 35 minutes, I checked on the beans and they were nice and soft. So I removed the waakye leaves. Now you can leave the waakye leaves if you prefer, but personally, I like to take them out at this stage as I don't like them to tangle with my rice later on. So you can just keep it in, that's when you prefer. The next thing to add after removing the waakye leaves will be some salt. I'm just adding any amount of my preferred amount. I'll give it a quick stir before going in with a touch of coconut milk. Now this step is completely optional, but it's mostly preferred by the one I'm making this for, so just keep note. After adding my coconut milk, I'll stir it gently once more, then finally add my jasmine rice. So personally, I like a balance between my beans and my rice. So if I use like 3 cups of beans, I'll go in with 2 cups of rice. If you prefer more beans to rice or more rice to beans, simply adjust it to your taste. I hope this is quite clear. And this is the cup I used in measuring both the rice and the beans. Now I've added 2 cups of rice and I'll mix beautifully until everything is well combined. Before that, I also added 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, stirred it once again, and then added 8 ounces of water. And I gave it a quick stir again and then tasted for salt. So I'll be coming back every 10 to 15 minutes just to make sure my rice or my waakye is cooking to perfection. And as you can see, it's looking good already. I'll give it another quick stir and then I'll cover it with a foil and lower my gas or heat so that it can finish cooking gently. You don't need too much heat at this stage. If you're here watching and then you're enjoying this video, please do not forget to like, share this recipe to someone who loves good food, and also subscribe for more amazing recipes. You can also follow us on all socials at Upclose with Abena. We are very, very active too. At this stage, it's simply about checking on our waakye every 10 to 15 minutes just to make sure it's cooking to perfection. Nothing too much to do here, but let's pause for a moment or a minute to admire this waakye. Soft, fluffy, and well cooked, but not overly soft. Akikabom kama. Doesn't it look amazing? Now that our waakye is fully done, we'll just let it sit for a while and we'll begin plating. This waakye will be paired with the goat and tribe stew that we made earlier, or I shared earlier. And if you haven't watched that video yet, I'll leave the link in the comment section. Be sure to check it out because you don't want to miss it. But just look at how good this waakye looks. So traditionally, waakye is enjoyed with stew, shito gari, avocado, eggs, your preferred meat or fish, some wele, spaghetti, and even salad. It's a full meal and you're definitely gonna enjoy it. I truly hope this video was helpful, and if you enjoyed watching, please don't forget to like, share, and then subscribe for more amazing recipes. You can also check out other amazing recipes on my channel, and I'm sure you're going to love them as well. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section. If you ever try my recipe or if you ever recreate my recipe, please do not forget to share your photos in my community. Would love to see how it went. Till then, have a blissful, beautiful week, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.